Part 1, Angola Visit. Syed Babar Hussein Bukhari was officially invited by the Ministry of Agriculture, Angola, where he received full VIP protocol. The government assigned him personal security, provided the best state guest house, and Portuguese General João Trigueiro personally arrived to receive him with military honor. They visited the agricultural land together, where the ministry team gave him a detailed farm and soil briefing, requesting his expertise to develop thousands of acres using his natural scientific methods.
Hello everybody, we have just reached Lubango. We landed on the airport and now we are going to the farm. Ahead of us the car of General Trigueiro, and he's on his car and we are in this car. You can see Mr. Hussain. Yes, Mr. Elder.
Hello.
And Dr. Fabio. Now we are going to farm. This is a very beautiful area. Lubango is one of the beautiful area of the Angola. Beautiful city of the Angola.
Very beautiful.
Very beautiful city of the Angola.
Weather is also good.
Here the weather is very ideal, very good weather, very cool weather. You can see the big hills with beautiful buildings, with beautiful weather, and you can see the mountains around and lot of good houses, and weather is very excellent. This is the car of General Trigueiro. Assalamu alaikum. जी हम इस वक्त लुबांगो में हैं और ये आर्मी की तरफ से जो है हमें विला जो है मिला था, जिसमें जो है हमने नाइट स्टे किया है। जो जनरल है जनरल ट्रायंगो, यहाँ आर्मी के जनरल जो हैं उन्होंने हमें ये विला जो है दिया था, जिसमें हमने स्टे किया है। तो अभी हम जो है शाह साहब से कहेंगे कि वो तशरीफ़ लाएँ और ताकि हम जो है फार्म पे विज़िट के लिए जो है अपना सफ़र जो है वो रवाना करें। ये मैं साथ थोड़ा सा आपको दिखा दूँ। ये शाह साहब भी जो है वो आ रहे हैं, तो अभी हम अपने फार्म की तरफ जो है वो रवां दवाएँ। जी जी, ये जो है गाड़ी जो है जन साहब ने भेजी है, तो अब हम अपने फार्म की तरफ जो है हम जो है वह जाने लगे। ये थैंक यू। यहाँ पे हमने नाइट स्टे किया। जो जनरल ट्रायंगो है आर्मी के, उन्होंने हमें जो है ये जगह जो है दी हुई थी। और अब हम जो है फार्म पे जा रहे हैं। नाश्ते के बाद गाड़ी रेडी है।
This is the farm. It's 72 hectares. In our side we have the agrochemical stores, and this part is the offices of the farm, and this is the caravan going to visit the plants with Mr. Babar Hussein to make the experimentation and to analyze the soil and the fruits.
Part 2, Table Talk. During the official table talk, General João Trigueiro praised Syed Babar Hussein Bukhari's 25 years of research, his global-level expertise in soil restoration, and his proven success in transforming barren land into fertile, high-yield farms. He acknowledged him as a world-class agriculture expert and a key asset for Angola's future agricultural development.
Okay. Sr. Babar Hussein, Sr. Elder, nós tivemos o grande prazer de nos receber, portanto, nesta visita ao projeto Nossa Terra Agroindustrial, para uma primeira abordagem da situação do projeto e das vossas, portanto, intenções em relação à possível parceria para o desenvolvimento deste projeto.
Okay, Mr. General Hussein, Mr. Babar Hussein, and also Mr. Elder, it's a pleasure for him to welcome us and in his farm to analyze all the project, so that you can take the first impression of the whole project, and after they can proceed for further negotiation. So he is giving us a very warming welcome.
Thank you.
Eu diria que se eu tiver a oportunidade nesta visita de constatar algumas dificuldades que o projeto vive, tiveram também a oportunidade de constatar que é um projeto, portanto, recuperável, é um projeto que tem pernas para andar.
Along your visit, you were able to see that the project has some difficulties, but also you could analyze that the project is recoverable and it obviously has legs to walk on.
Portanto, é nesse sentido de aproveitarmos o que existe do projeto, corrigir aquilo que está, portanto, mal feito ou que está por fazer e fazer-se da forma correta para que o projeto ganhe de facto a dimensão, quer no contexto regional, quer no contexto nacional, portanto, pode ter.
Okay, and so he wants to join force with you in order to recover the project, to see what is wrong and to make it right, so that the project can gain its original dimension in this region and also in the whole country.
Estamos cientes, estamos certos que, portanto, com a vossa experiência, com o vosso saber, vão conseguir, com certeza, definir as melhores práticas, definir os melhores métodos para que, portanto, o projeto seja revigorado no sentido de cumprir com, portanto, as metas, portanto, para que ele foi preconizado, investindo aquilo que for necessário investir, contando naturalmente sempre com o apoio institucional, portanto, da Caixa de Segurança Social, neste caso, como titular do projeto, como dona do projeto.
Okay, they're saying that obviously with your great experience, they can recover the project, and they very admired. They're thanking very much to you for the project, for your experience and everything you have shown. And again, they want to gather forces so that the project can walk on, because the project was created with an end. And then they want to reach this goal, and also with the help of the Army Force, Social Security, obviously they can achieve it.
Portanto, para terminar, diríamos que estamos confiantes na possibilidade, nas vossas capacidades de, portanto, desenvolverem, portanto, este projeto. O nosso muito obrigado mais uma vez. Espero que tenham se sentido bem, portanto, que tenham estado cómodos e sempre que cá voltarem teremos o grato prazer de vos receber e de colaborar convosco naquilo que for necessário e fundamental. Muito obrigado.
To finish, the General has great confidence, great trust in your capability to move on the project and to recover the complete project. And he is thanking everyone, especially you, for coming here. You are obviously welcome here anytime you want. And whenever you want to come back, he honestly wishes that you have been very well welcomed here. You had a good reception. And the next time you come here, obviously they will welcome you in the very same way.
Thank you.
Global Soil Expert, trademark number 806759, Kisan Dost Formula, trademark number 806755.